about 1/3 the size of his whole body. So let's start with that right about there. Very good, everybody. There we go, and then we'll give him some little cheeks like this right about here. Round it on up like that. I like it. We'll give him an ear right about there. And another ear on this side. Slightly hid behind there. Looking good, everyone. It's Boss Baby off to a good start. Let's draw his hair now. Right on up like that. And we'll come around with a little swirly bit there like that. And then around here like this. And down again like that. Very nice, everybody. Boss Baby's got a cute little nose, doesn't he? Right there like that. With a couple nostrils here and there. And then like this right there. I like it. Maybe we'll go like this right about here too. That's fun. We'll give him a little bit of cheek bits here like this and like that. And then we can draw his mouth like this. I like that. Bit of a swirly bit like that. And we'll do the same over here like that. Bit of a smirky smile on him. Just like that. I like it. Now let's give him some fun eyes. Boss Baby's got some big old eyes. So let's draw one like here. Right about there. And what we're gonna do is bring that on down like this. And across like that. And then we're gonna draw us an eyelid. Draw us an eyelid right about here like that. With a little swirly bit at the end there for his eyelash. I like that. And then we're gonna do the same over here, but this eye we're gonna have up a little higher like this as an oval. And we'll bring it on down like that. And then we're gonna do the same with the eyelid. And the eyelash. Just like that. Sweet. I like it. Let's give him a bit of an eyebrow here like this. And another one here. Like that. I like that. Now we'll draw his eye in like this. His other eye maybe here like this. And he's got big old highlight right there in his eye. One there. Another one there. And then we can draw the pupil in like that. I like it. This is looking really good, everybody. Alrighty. We can give him a little texture in his ear here. I like that. Same back over here like this, like that. Alright, well, looking good. Now let's pose him. Let's pose Boss Baby in his suit. I like this. There'll be one arm there like that. The other arm will be coming down like this, right about here. Very nice, everybody. That looks nice. There we go. This will be his cuff right about there. Bring his arm up like that. And around like that. Oh, I like it. Now let's bring his chest on out like this. Just like that. And then the bottom of his coat will come around here like that. One there. Give him a cuff right about here. Boss Baby's hands will be here. There's his thumb. And a couple of knuckles like this. Just like that. Oh, I like it. Continue his coat on down here like that. Right like this. Finish it off here like that on the underneath. Bring it on up. Perfect. Don't forget to give him a button. I like those buttons. And then we can bring this down to a V right about here like this. And over here, we'll start here and bring this on down like that. Very nice, everybody. This is looking nice. And this coat will come here like this. Little V area like that. And then we can do the same over here like this. Sweet, everybody. These are just a bunch of triangles going in here. There's a collar. Here's another collar here. And then what we're gonna do is bring the tie in like this. Another triangle here. A bit of a line there. And then bring a line down and a line down like that. This is looking nice, everybody. Let's finish off his other arm here like this. And a little cuff there like that. But his hand will be behind him, so he won't draw that. Now we'll give him some legs. There we go. Another leg swirling off like that. I like it. Here we go. This leg here like this. A little cuff on the leg. Perfect. Alright, let's give Boss Baby his shoes. One there. Finish it off here like this. Very nice. And some heel. Good looking shoe that is. Alright, let's start over here with this shoe. And we'll finish it on up like that. And give him a bit of a sole with that one as well. Looking good, everybody. It's Boss Baby. Now we can get to the color. Boss Baby has light skin, black suit, green eyes, blonde hair. Thanks, everyone.